Now let's review this figure 17-36. Again, we're dealing with wiring methods, suitable covers in this case, NEC 314.72E. Now notice on that cover to this manhole, say, where you'd have access into an enclosed manhole, danger high voltage, keep out, or danger high voltage, authorized personnel only. In the markings, letters for the markings shall be block type and at least a ½ inch in height. And if the manhole cover weighs 100 pounds or less, the above marking should be placed on the cover. Tool to remove cover, because of the weight, you have a tool to insert and lift the cover and give you a little leverage so that you have the power to remove the cover. And a manhole cover, if it weighs over 100 pounds, then usually, it's self-supported. So that's what this figure 17-36 is illustrating to the user of the code.